Are you looking for the best foldable electric wheelchair? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the top 3 foldable electric wheelchair to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. 20-inch wide foldable electric wheelchair, 400-pound capacity, black, powerful and 500-watt dual motor for all-terrain, 30-mile long range and removable battery, heavy-duty structure for adults and obese. Brand, Walkfeel. Color, matte black. Style, 400 lb capacity and 20-inch wide seat. Material, aircraft-grade lightweight aluminum alloy. Wheel size, 13 inches. 400 lb heavy-duty capable and 3-step quick fold. Built with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame, this heavy-duty motorized wheelchair safely supports up to 400 lb while remaining lightweight and durable. Designed for ultimate travel convenience, its 3-step quick folding mechanism allows it to collapse into a compact size, 22 by 25.6 by 39 inches, that easily fits into most car trunks, SUVs, or closet storage. 20-inch extra-wide seat and premium ergonomic comfort. Designed with senior comfort in mind, this foldable electric wheelchair features an extra-wide 20-inch seat and 2.7-inch thick high-density foam cushion to prevent pressure sores during extended use. The lift-up armrests and foldable footrest allow for effortless side transfers, making it incredibly easy for users to get in and out at dining tables or desks. 30-mile long range and all-terrain mastery. Equipped with a high-capacity 25Ah removable lithium battery and 500-watt dual motors, this power wheelchair delivers an impressive 30-mile range on a single charge. Whether you are navigating grass park lawns, gravel paths, muddy trails, or tackling 12-degree steep inclines, it ensures reliable all-day outdoor mobility without range anxiety. Perfect for daily theme park trips, neighborhood strolls, and outdoor adventures. Smart joystick and advanced safety protection. Experience effortless control with a highly sensitive 360-degree rotating joystick, which can be mounted on either the left or right side. Combined with an intelligent electromagnetic braking system for instant stopping, even on ramps, anti-tipper wheels, and an adjustable seatbelt, it provides maximum safety. Features dual mode switching, electric or manual, so caregivers can easily push if needed.
Number 2. Goldseason 30 miles range electric wheelchairs for adults. Support 400 pounds and 500-watt motor all-terrain power wheelchair with 13-inch large tires. Foldable mobility motorized wheelchair for seniors. Brand, Goldseason. Color, black. Style, 400 pounds capacity and 30 miles range and 500-watt all-terrain motor and 19-inch wider seat. Material, aluminum. Seat width, 19 inches. About this item: 400 pounds weight capacity and 19-inch wide seat. This heavy-duty electric wheelchair features a sturdy frame constructed from premium aviation-grade aluminum, offering exceptional durability with a safe weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. The wheelchair comes equipped with a spacious, comfortable 19-inch seat, specially designed to accommodate big and tall users. Plus, its quick fold design allows it to collapse to a compact size in seconds, making it easy to store in your car trunk for effortless, on-the-go mobility. 30 miles extended range and fast charging. Say goodbye to range anxiety. This long-range electric wheelchair is powered by a 25Ah high-capacity lithium battery, specially engineered for long-distance travel or all-day outdoor adventures. A single full charge delivers up to 30 miles of range, so you won't need to recharge frequently. The lithium battery features a convenient one-touch quick-release design, allowing you to easily charge it without having to move the entire wheelchair. Recharging takes only about 6 hours.
Number 3. Aotedor carbon fiber electric wheelchair for adults. 37 pounds lightweight foldable power chair. 30 miles range with dual battery. All-terrain airline-approved motorized wheelchair for seniors. Travel. Brand, Aotedor. Color, carbon black. Item weight, 37 pounds. Style, carbon fiber. 30 miles ultra-long range and dual battery. Travel up to 30 miles on full charge. 50% plus further than most carbon fiber power chairs, 10 to 20 miles. Powered by dual 12Ah lithium batteries that are detachable and airline compliant. You can independently charge each battery in or out of the chair. Perfect for all-day outings, shopping trips, and medium-distance travel without range anxiety. Carbon fiber frame, lightweight yet stable. Built with aerospace-grade carbon fiber, the Aotedor carbon fiber wheelchair only 37 pounds, yet supports up to 260 pounds. Carbon fiber is 7 times stronger than aluminum alloy while absorbing road vibrations for a smoother ride. The optimized weight distribution provides superior balance and stability on turns and slopes. Lighter chairs may tip, but ours stays grounded. All-terrain and powerful dual motors. Equipped with dual brushless motors and 11-inch solid rear tires, this motorized wheelchair conquers grass, gravel, ramps, and uneven sidewalks with ease.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.